Hey folks, Dan Freer here, the rate update. Today is Friday, November 19th, 2021. When you come back, we're going to see what economic news came out and where mortgage rates are for today. So don't go away. We'll be right back. Well, I hate to say it, but I told you so. So let's go on to where rates are and all the economic news and everything else. But the big news out today is how the Delta variant and COVID and all the other stuff is starting to play havoc in Europe again. And they're thinking of a shutdown or something. So that's what's actually affecting everything right now. So that being said, let's see where the markets open for the day in regards to mortgage rates. And then I'm going to show you what's happening today. And I'm going to come back and say, I told you so. And you'll get it here in a second. So the 30-year fixed rate today opened up at 3.24. Now, guys, these are not my rates. These are rates through a survey that Mortgage News Daily does every day. They send out a survey to lenders all over the country. We send in our rates. They compile it all together and post this at the beginning and end of each day. So here's where we're at. Go across the top. We got the 30-year fixed rate, 3.24. Yesterday was 3.25. That means there's a change of 0.01. That change, we referenced the 0.01 is 1 basis point. And as you can see in this chart, it is down. So it's down 1 basis point. Again, so that means for yesterday was 3.25, today's 3.24. So I hope you get it. I'll just run down through the numbers now. 15-year, 2.62, down 1 basis point. The FHA and pretty much VA is 2.86, down also 0.01. Jumbo, nothing. And the 5-year arm finally starting to retreat a little bit, down 7 basis points, but it's still well above the 30-year fix. So why would you do that? Okay, here's the I told you so. Economic news today. You roll over to the far right, Friday. There is no news out. So what is the market doing? Is it flat? You gotta be kidding me. It's not flat. The MBSs are rallying up 20 basis points. So what does this mean? Okay, so I'll briefly describe it. This number right here, or this section right here, is what we call the mortgage-backed securities. It's the bond that trades on Wall Street. You might even hold it in your portfolio or 401k, believe it or not. And when this number, this is the price of the bond, when that number goes up, what happens with the yields, and in this case, because it's a mortgage bond, its mortgage rates will come down. So anytime the price goes up, the yield or the rate comes down. Okay, so you can see the same thing. If it's flip-flopped, if the prices are going down, rates are going up. So remember that. There's an inverse, a flip-flop on what's going on with that. So I said, and you can go back all the way till probably last week, I said we should rally up to 2.4, the 2.4 area, and that is right through here, okay? I won't go through all these technicals with you, but there's a reason why I picked that range, and I think now we could rally all the way up to possibly this next Fibonacci level, which is right here, this red line, to a about 2.7. All right, so where are we at right now? And I'll make this make sense to you in a minute. 102.58. So again, the basis, what I want you to understand is, again, as this goes down, look where we were from September all the way to October. When we go down, mortgage rates go up. When we go up, mortgage rates come down. When we were right in this range here, I said we're way oversold. So we should rally back to about a 102.4. And it might rise a little bit from then. And I said, give it till Friday. And my prediction would be that we're at a 102.4. If you go to the top left, you're going to see it again. We're at 102.58. So it actually overshot what I expected. And again, things always overreact. So will there be some settling? Maybe. I'm going to look to lock right now, or as soon as not right now, as soon as I see this revert. Or if I find out some news that's coming out to see this starting to pull back. So that's what's going on right here. So you can see this is what's happened for the last 3 months. We've had a complete debacle, a crash in the system. We rallied. Hopefully we caught a lot of people here and locked you in on this rally. And then it dropped again, and we're waiting for another rally. So just to condense this, what happens is a lot of people locked in their rate, or you call in to your mortgage company or somebody and they're like, here's what we can do. They lock in. They're not watching what's going on. My analogy would be you like a stock and it keeps going down and down and down. Why are you going to buy it until it makes a turn? Same thing here. If mortgage rates are continuing to drop, why would I lock you in knowing, or not knowing, but pretty sure that the rates are going to continue to drop? A lot of people don't do that for you. A lot of people don't do this all day, every day to make sure you guys are getting the best program out there. So that being said, let's get back to it. Okay, so what is the intraday chart? Because we already went through the economic calendar for today. Well, we opened up big and we basically stabilized. This is a kind of an anomaly right here. So, take this out of the equation. We've pretty much been stable right here. So there's no concerns here for me. This is a pretty big move, a pretty big rally. As you can see, we come off the bottoms right here, and the last 4 days has been great news for mortgage rates. So on our end, we're holding and not looking to lock you in right now. So if you'd like to work with us, you're in the mortgage process right now and you got a loan estimate. You'll know what I mean by loan estimate. If you've already applied for a loan, the lender within 3 business days of pulling your credit has to send you a loan estimate. Please send those to me. I can review them, see if you're getting the best deal out there in the market. Second thing is, if you're looking to get pre-approved, you're looking to refinance, you're in a forbearance, you're looking to remodel your house, anything of that sort, and you want our opinion, you want us to walk you through what program is best for you. There's renovation programs out there. Did you know that? There's a whole bunch of other different programs out there that you probably don't even know about. So that's what we pride ourselves on, and that's what we do. We're licensed in about 35 to 38 states right now. New York is one of the states I'm not. I'll post a video as soon as we are. We're waiting for our licensing to go through. So if you're in New York, I greatly appreciate you guys watching, but I can't help you right now. There are several other states that we cannot do business in yet until our licensing gets approved. But that's where we are today. So if you'd like to find out more about me and my team and to reach out to us for some help, please go to therateupdate.com. The first thing that's going to pop up within probably about 10 seconds of you being on the site is this little pop-up. And it's saying, if you were to refinance, what rate would that take you? What rate would you need to actually pull the trigger and do a refi? So right here, you click it and you tell us, what rate are you looking for? Okay. And you plug that in and you plug in a little bit of information, and we're going to put you on our charts. As soon as that rate hits that point, or if it ever hits that point that you're looking for, we will immediately reach out to you to get the application started. However, if you want to get started on this, and how we like to do it, we really like to put a personal touch on it. We'd love to talk to you. So give us a call at 844-775-5626. That's 844-775-5626. Or schedule an appointment right here. Schedule a meeting with us. You'll click it. You'll set up a day and time that meets your needs. And then we will be calling you or Zooming you in at that time on that day to answer any and all questions that you have. A brand new feature that we just came up with is, how can we help you guys seek out the best programs in the country? Well, easy. Go over to our resource section. Down here it says upload your loan estimate. So let me explain that. You're going to click that. It's going to take you to a secured server. You're going to click there. And it's going to open up this caption right here. In the message section right here, I need to know a few things. Just give me a little story about what you're looking to do. I'm looking to refinance, pull out some cash, and finish my basement. That's all I need to know. Is there a phone number you want us to reach you? Because a lot of times emails go into spams and everything. We had an upset client yesterday that we emailed on Monday. We've been trying to get a hold of them. They called in yesterday, really upset, and we're like, we emailed you and left you a voicemail on Monday. They didn't get it, so some of our stuff might go into spam. So check your spam. But that's where we like to have your phone number so we can follow up and say, hey, we sent you that proposal. Please make sure to go in your emails and look for it. Then just fill in this information, drag and drop your loan estimate into that bucket, and you're on your way. So that is it for right now with my rate update for the day. I'll be back later today to discuss all the buzz right now is the housing market going to crash? And we'll continue to debunk that on a daily basis if needed, because there's a lot of clickbait out on that. So otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope you get value in the channel. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. I'll see you later this afternoon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.